Hello friends, welcome back, and if you're new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. Well, today I'm going to show you some flowers that are blooming in my sister-in-law's garden, or collection I should say. These are the geraniums. See, each and every plant, it's a small plant, but all of them have given out floral buds, and yes, very soon they are going to bloom. This is one geranium. Look at it, how pretty it is. Beautiful. She has some beautiful collection of geraniums, and look at the buds. Oh my god, they are so pretty. And the most interesting part about geraniums is that it blooms almost throughout the year, and these are the buds that are going to burst very soon. And look at this pretty one, so pretty. I too had this geranium last year, but yes, it is no more. I lost it during the monsoons. Now this is the powderful or the wild primula, which she has shifted to some of the pots. And look at the beauty of these wild flowers. Well, I just love them. Look at it. And these days I noticed the powderfuls are available in different shades of purple, and in fact I also saw white when we were returning from Darjeeling. Now this is it, but when I was a little girl, that time I had just seen light purple powderful, but right now there are quite a lot of it. Now this is the Portulicara afra variegated, and this is also called a mini jade. Now look at the azaleas. Yes, the azaleas are also mind-blowing. They have just started blooming, and she has about 6-7 different colors in azaleas, and each one of them is beautiful. Now this is another azalea plant. Now this is the first fuchsia which is going to bloom, and others will bloom after some time, I guess. And this is the pot which has two different types of flowers growing in the same plant. I just showed you a deep pink, and this is the other flowers that are growing in the same plant. Look at the colors. It is such a delicate pink. Now look at the margins of the petals that are white. They are so very pretty. And look at this. Oh my god. And the best part about azaleas is that it lasts for quite a long time. This is in white color. Look at it. Now if you don't see the leaves, it looks just like a rose flower. And what a beautiful white, just pure white. Look at it. It looks just like a rose. A beautiful, beautiful plant. Now look at this succulent. It's the Hawatia, which has acquired a beautiful shape, and it looks very interesting. Now in the background you can see her kitchen garden. This is the coriander that is growing all around the place, and this is her rice hug or the mustard leaves. And yes, she gave me a lot of mustard seeds, which I shared with my cousins as well. This is the Graptovaria lovely rose succulent. I didn't dare to bring this time plants from her because actually there's a space crunch. Now this is the Philodendron Brazil, which is growing on a moss stick prepared by my younger brother. Actually both my brothers are plant lovers. And this is the Monstera Adansonii, or the Swiss cheese plant. Now this is the Bloomerides, which has started to bloom. Last year too I had shown you this particular plant. Now here is a whole lot of ferns. This is the rabbit foot fern, which he has been growing in different pots. Now that's the peperomia, and here is a whole lot of cactus. Orchids. Oh my god, I think I've gone crazy. I'm saying cactus. Now see, these have given out floral buds. These are the buds. There is a whole lot of orchids and vanda. Now there I can see the fishtail fern as well. Now this is a beautiful succulent. Look at the color. That's the cactus. I think that's the only cactus I saw in her collection. Now that's the Aeonium, I guess. That's again the Hawatia. My Hawatia that I have here at my place was also given to me by her. That's the Jade, Chrysula ovate. This is another succulent. I don't know the name, but yes, it looks quite interesting. Looks like bananas turned upside. Now this is the Aeonium that I just showed you. The color is nice. These are the little succulents that are growing here and there, and they are propagating on their own. This particular sedum she has given me. She had given me 2 years back, and it's growing. That's the powderful, the primula, wild primula, growing almost everywhere. They are so very beautiful. This is another beautiful magenta colored azalea, which is yet to bloom, and it has given the buds, which will be blooming in some time. I just showed you the red one. This is the magenta one. Here also the bud has not opened yet. There is a whole lot of wild orchids that are growing on the tree trunk. Actually, my brothers, they are all plant lovers, and here my younger brother, the youngest one, has been growing the orchids on the tree trunk. This, I don't know what it is called. It looks like a ponytail. Now this is a beautiful colored bougainvillea. Look at the color, orangish red. Well, I just love this color, but this time I controlled myself. I didn't buy bougainvilleas or much plants from the flower show because of the space crunch. That's the Vincia, a beautiful, beautiful flower. Have a look at the succulent. How healthy, how beautiful she looks. Beautiful. Now here is the Crispus cactus. Although it looks a bit dehydrated, maybe she has not watered it much. This is the capsicum plant with some capsicums growing here and there. Now this is the Simraya, or the watercress. I believe this particular plant has medicinal values, and it grows on damp area where the soil is always damp. So thank you for staying till the end. If you have liked the video, do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. If you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, it's bye bye for today.